So today we're going to make a resume. To start it, we're going to use the Microsoft Word application. Now, by the way, let's click this one. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft application, better borrow a laptop with a Microsoft application, because this is the most common and it's easy. Okay, make sure also that making this project you're going to connect yourself to the internet, because we're going to download some templates. So here we're not going to make this, okay, or any other template, because if you're going to do the blank document, okay, you can still make a resume, but it might not look that good. So better if we will just use some templates used by Microsoft Word. So here, let's type resume, then enter. Now, our Microsoft Word now is searching for, okay, a template. Now here, let's go find some pictures here. Yeah, this one looks good. Okay, so see, I can just click this and create, and now you can see that I have a very good template. So let's say create. Now I can type my name here. So say my name is Juan Carlos. Okay, so see, now also I'll replace this photo now. The problem is it cannot be replaced, so I'll just delete this. Okay, I'll insert another photo. So let's I'll go check some photos here. So yes, here. Okay, now animate it a little bit. Now I want it to look like, okay, this one. Okay, yeah, this one. Now it does not look very pretty because its borders are too thick. So let's reduce the borders a little bit. Okay, maybe here, this size. Okay, now it's better with green. Let's try it with green. Now this green, it looks bad. This green, it also looks bad. So let's try some color that will match to our current design. So this one, so see, it matches with the color here. Just experiment a little bit. Now job title, okay, subtitle here is, for example, you are an electrical engineer, so just job title. But being an electrical engineer, you cannot just say you are going to work as an electrical engineer or a mechanical engineer, or let's say an accountant. There can be a lot of jobs here. So job title, for me, I'll just going to delete this because I might have a lot of skills. For example, an engineer can be a construction engineer, can be a design engineer. So you can just say, hey, I'm an electrical engineer. So for me, I'll leave it blank like that. Profile, I'm going to write here is, I'll replace this one with objective. Okay, what is your objective? So you'll write here, I am seeking job related to, okay, I am seeking for a job related to design, operation, or maybe teaching if you want to teach teach electrical engineering subjects. So if you are applying to school, okay, job related to design, operation, you may add this, let's say property management or property management. So basically, there are a lot of things where engineers can employ. Continue this, contact phone numbers. For example, if my phone is 0999999999. The website is, so you may add your Facebook here. Now the problem is if your Facebook is a mess, just don't add it. So maybe we can just, okay, you may delete this, or you may write this or may not write this. .com/xxxx. So that's my Facebook account. Now, emails, you can write here. For example, my email is someone@example.com. So that's my email. Now it looks a little bit uglier here because it's too down. Okay, center this. Format, position, alright. In front of text. So now I have adjusted it, or I may put it on top. Oh no, just adjusted it, so it looks better now. Now education, so school name, say I education. The most important thing here is are your if you have master's degree or doctorate degree, you may write it. College up to high school. So I don't think you should write your elementary school. The most important thing is you have a college diploma. High school, it's okay, you can write. So for example, I have an MBA and I graduated from University of Monsters. Okay, so when did I graduate? Dates from. Okay, don't need to write the dates. So for example, I started from school year June, let's say June 2016, and then dash June April 2018. So that's it. Now what they're going to do here is, it's okay to brag about your GPA awards, honors. So you may write this one, graduated cum laude. Okay, for example, most polite award. Okay, so you may modify this. University of Monsters, June 2016, April 2018, graduated cum laude. Okay, got the most polite award. Okay, so whatever awards you get. Now for example, college, here I'll replace this one. School name, you say University of Minions. Okay, dates from, so what date? So I'll replace this. So this is from June 2012, and I graduated in April 2016, for example. So it's okay, I'll put graduated summa cum laude, graduated first placer, super maniacs board exam. You have work experience. Okay, so if you're a fresh graduate, you may write your OGTs here. And if you're not, if you have a lot of experience, just write, for example, company. Okay, Junjun Construction Company. Okay, site, for example, my job there was site engineer. Okay, dates from, so what date from was that? Let's say 2018. Okay, let's say I started working June 2018 to January 2020. So that's thing. So the same thing, what is your describe your responsibilities in terms of impact and results? So what are those things? Now if you don't have that much extensive experience, or if you're a graduate and you don't have that many things to brag about your experience, or you only have your OGT, so just you don't have to be you don't have to pressure yourself. But for some who are really gunning for big positions, you really got to have a very nice resume, and at the same time impeccable English. Impeccable English grammar in your in the things that you're writing here. I have to admit that I have not put my best when it comes to creating this one, since this is just an example, but I will try always my best to create this, to make this better for you. Now here, describe your responsibilities. Sample. Okay. Responsibilities. So I will just I'll itemize this one. Okay, one. Okay. For what does site engineer do? Supervise electrical installation, for example. Okay, to brag a little about it, so you may add, for example, you are supervising 100 electricians, so supervise electrical installation of 100 electricians. Okay, so it sounds better than just saying supervise electrical installation. So you may, let's say you supervise electrical installation, it can be a lot of things. You specify 100 electricians, so that means you're a hell of an electrical engineer, since you already is handling 100 electricians. Okay, now the same thing. Okay, number 2, try to put a lot of embellishments so that it will look attractive to the ones hiring you for a job. So, supervise electrical installations, 100 electrician. Let's say make reports, make accomplishment reports to the project manager, or let's say project in charge. So it depends on who you are reporting to. Let's say report. Okay, non-conformance helps in acquiring new technical staff. So for example, okay, this became part of your job. So sometimes we're doing things that are out of our job descriptions, but sometimes we do it, especially in places where in countries where your people have to do a lot more. So the same thing we'll do with the other company. So we'll just fill this up, then fill with responsibilities. Okay, skills. Okay, there's skill here. You can edit this one. So what I'm going to do is edit. Okay, we have here chart folders. Edit what data points and names are visible in your chart. So I'll click this one, edit this one. Let's say skill. Let's say this skill is, so I'm not so good at writing at 50%, so it's okay, 0.5. Let's say this is creative problem solving. Okay, creative problem solving. So let's say I'm very good at it, so I'll just write 90% or 0.9. The skill number 3 is computer skills. So the computer skills, let's say, okay, I'm so good at it, but I'll say I'm 100%, so I'll just 1. Put 1. Then skill number 2, let's say the next skill is AutoCAD. So I have AutoCAD skills, let's say 75%. It's pretty good. Okay, video editing, I'm good at video editing, so let's say I'll put this 80% or 0.8. Okay, close. Okay, when I close, you'll see here video editing number 1. So here are the skills. Now this looks pretty much good, but can also add some things. For example, here, okay, here. So I'll just go to the next page and copy these. So I'll just paste this. Okay. Okay, I'll change the format. Let's see here. No, this one. Okay. So here I've changed it. Now I change this a little bit. Let's say this is awards and achievements. So what awards did you get? So you'll just write it here. Engineer of the year. Date, you can add the date. What date was that? Okay, let's say June 18, 2018. Then, who gave that award? Let's say Go Ladies Award, awarding guild, awarding body. Okay, so that's it. Your awards. Let's say you receive another award, so just copy this one. Copy this one. Yeah. Paste. Now, what is this? It's Engineer of the Year. This one is, let's say, you're the Inventor of the Year. So what year was that? Let's say June 30, 2019. Okay, who gave the award? So let's say, just it. Go Ladies awardingbody.com. So you're done with making awards and achievement. Now what you're going to do is put a character reference. So just copy all of this, then paste it here and change the format so it will match. Okay, now it matches the same, so I'll just character references. Okay, so who's that guy? Let's say your character reference is Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Okay, next thing is email. Let's say bastard@gmail.com. And then, so if you have contact number, so just 09999. Okay, it's a contact number. So at least 3, you can write this one. But if you're a fresh graduate, ask for the numbers of your teachers, your instructors. They are very happy to help. Donald Trump. Next is Barack Obama. So same thing I will write. Now all of these things you can also, if for example you have a lot of awards, a lot of extracurricular activities, not necessarily awards, you can also copy this one, then put, okay, change this to curricular activities. So of course this is not so necessary if you don't have that much extracurricular. So what we'll do here, community drive cleaning, tree plantings, whatever. So why is it important? At times it is important because it speaks a lot of your character. There's a lot of people who do extracurricular activities. We all know extracurricular activities don't have payments. So most likely these are people who are passionate about something. For those companies who are really hiring people with which they think they have the values to help run the company, these extracurricular things are very much helpful because it says a lot about the character of a person. Now all you do at your free time is play games, and that helps so much, especially if you're gunning for managerial positions. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates from us.